Today I will talk about how can you disable uh, challenges reminders on your BodyFast app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on me down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on notifications, just click on it. Then you come to next zip here, then you just go down, you keep going down here. So then you come here to challenges reminders here, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's my reminders challenges disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.